Gold has really been silent, and yesterday I was trying to understand what she's doing, right? I was waiting to see whether if she would have given me my entry properties to go in for my buys, because I was still looking for buys unless price tells me otherwise, unless price tells me that she wants to go down, right? But then now I'm a swing trader. I don't take my entries if I don't see clear structures. Now today I just want us to go over our gold analysis once again, understand what she did yesterday and see what she's doing right now. But once we get our confirmation, of course, we're going to take our entry now. Right now, today's video is sponsored by Funded Next, one of the best pro firm in the trading industry. Right now, I've been trading with Funded Next from 2023, and I can tell you that the experience is still okay. Right now, we'll talk about that in a minute, but meanwhile, let's just start our analysis. Right over here, we can say we've had our high right there. That was our last high, and of course this was our last low. Right now, yesterday or the day before yesterday, we were saying that, oh, this was our last resistance right there, turned to a support, and we were anticipating that gold had that possibility or had that potential to go back and retest that level. Now, once we've seen gold retesting that level, we were supposed to understand the reaction around that level, and if we get our entry opportunity, we were supposed to attack. Right now, this is it. If I want to look for my selling properties, this is what I'm anticipating, and I'm expecting gold to go back, break out of that resistance, turn to a support, right? Because now, if that's a support, if it breaks, then definitely we should be changing direction. So this is my anticipation. I'm anticipating gold to break below right there, go back with a retest, and then that is when it should be a confirmed sell. But right now, we're still cruising at the top, right above that support. So let's just go to the H4 real quick and understand what gold did right there. Let's just remove this right there. Good. Now basically, we've seen something like a head and shoulder, right? Gold is giving us a head and shoulder, which is okay, right? But I keep on saying, sometimes head and shoulder does not mean that we're changing direction. Sometimes the market might be telling you, oh, this is a head and shoulder, just to start printing out maybe a continuation pattern. Who knows, right? So until, like I said before, until gold breaks out of that support, then now that is when we should be looking for sale. But for now, strictly buys. Why? At the same time, we've seen gold still printing those amazing bullish momentum, high highs, and those highs are getting broken. Now, if we have our trend line from this level, our first touch, second touch, and now this was our third touch. Now, the moment we saw gold hitting our third touch trend line, we saw gold bouncing off that level. Let's just go to the 15 real quick. I need to show you something over here. Now, off the 15, we've seen gold also printing more trend. Over here, we've seen a high, low. Now, having another trend line passing from this joint right there, you understand that that was the third touch, and now we see gold has pushed or bounced off that trend line, and now she's going up. Right now, let's just remove this right here. So basically, I can say that she's kind of moving sideways. You understand? If I have this right there, right here, gold is still moving sideways, right? So we just need to wait and see what she's doing. So mark out those amazing levels that she might go back to respect before we look for our entry property, right? And I'm talking about, let's just remove this one, remove this, have this right there is our new high right there, and have this as our low right here, and of course our immediate or the current high as that level, and not forgetting this level right here. Now this is based on a sideways market. If the market is not trending, then we go to the sideways market, right? Understand what she's doing. Now, having marked those amazing levels, we need to look for possible level that she might retrace, go back and retest. Now look at this zone right here. We have that level, maybe a liquidity, who knows, I don't know, you guys know how you call it. Now there's that anticipation. If gold tries to go back, retest this level, I want to see how she's going to retest that level. If I get a confirmation that she's ready to go up, I'm going to go in, right? But then if she continues dropping, I should see what she wants to do around this level. If I get a confirmation that she wants to go up, I'll look for my buy, right? But if she continues to drop, breaking out of that structure, no problem. Breaking out of this structure, no problem. I want to see the reaction around this level. If I get my buy entry, I'm going to buy. So we have 3 zones that I'm anticipating gold might retest, and those are the levels that I should be looking for my buy entry properties, right? If I don't see, I'm not taking those trades, right? But if gold continues breaking this level 2 and goes back right here and closes below, then guess what? I'm no more looking for buys, but instead I should be looking for sales, right? So that is something that I should be watching out. So like I say, those are just amazing levels that I'm going to look for my entry. I'm still looking for buys until gold breaks below this level right there, right? Good. Now let me show you something amazing. You have a $50 account, $100 account, $500 account. Let's just say less than 5K. How will you risk 1% of that account? Is very, very impossible unless you're trading a cent account, right? So then of course trading a cent account, you know, is way too different than trading a standard account, right? Now if you have for instance a $50 account, a personal account funding, or even $100 account, my advice will be get a funded account. What am I talking about now? For instance, of that you are $100 or even you are $50, you have a Stellar Light plan right here. Take $32 and purchase a $5,000 account. Pass your challenge. Now look at this. We have a profit target. First one, you only need to target 8%. Now 8% of 5K, 8% of 5K should be I think $400. So you need to make 400. Let's just take it back to Stellar Light, because that is affordable to most of the people, right? Now 8% of $5,000 it should be $400, right? Now you only need to make $400 to pass phase 1, right? But then practicing the best risk management in your trading. And I keep on saying that most of you know how to trade, but the problem might be your trading capital or your trading account, right? If you have a small account, the problem is the risk management. You know how to trade, but then if you have poor risk management, then that is the problem, right? You will keep on burning. But then we have so many leverage. Purchase your funded account, and I'm talking about funding next. Link in the description box below, and get up to 105. Now if you use my coupon code, you're going to get 105% refund. What am I talking about? For instance, let's say you purchase a 5K account and that was $32, right? Now if you pass phase 1, you're going to move to phase 2. Phase 2, you should only make 4%. Now 4% of $5,000 should be $200. And once you pass that, you're getting funded. You get your 5K account, and you know, do your trading. Now if you make profit over here, you can see you get up to 95% profit split, right? You made your maybe 5% profit. Funded next will take the 5%. They'll give you 95%. Then now remember your deposit, right? $32, you'll have a 105% refund. Instead of getting back your $32, you'll have 105% of it, right? So what's 105% of $32? Let's just do our maths real quick. 105% of $32. What's it? So 33, yeah, so you'll get $33 plus 33.6, which is a good one, right? So let's continue. Now let's talk about Stellar, right? Stellar, we have from $6,000 account, which goes for 59%. I'm sorry, $59, which is a good amount. And then I think you can get up to what's this, $200,000. 200K account goes for $999. Guys, it's amazing, right? So if you let's just say, don't target 200K fast. Step by step, start with maybe 5K or even 6K. Pass your account, get funded, withdraw. Now from that profit, you can continue buying more plan until you reach your target. It will be more easier, right? Instead of trading those small accounts. And at the same time, guys, Fundnext is still one of those pro firm that still offers MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Let's just see this right here. We have MetaTrader 4, we have MetaTrader 5, and of course CTrader. You just choose. We have a swap free account, swap account, and also a swap free account, right? I'm a swing trader, so I go for swap account, right? You can hold your trades overnight, over the weekend, guys. There is news trading guys is allowed. That's amazing. Now for those who like trading news, go for Funded Next. Link in the description box below, guys. For real, this one is a go get. This is a must, right? So we have a Stellar Light account, we have evaluation. Now if you don't want to go in for 2-step, right, just choose one step right here. Let me just show you one step. Click on Stellar account right there, and then click on one step. Now 1 step, 6k goes for a $65, 15k goes for $129. Now what does 1 step mean? You only need to pass first phase, then get your live account, start trading, make your withdrawal, guys. I still recommend Funded Next, right? Then they have the best spread, guys. You know, when I'm choosing brokers, for instance, the first thing that I do look out for is the spread, because spread is the account killer. If you have a bigger spread, guys, I won't join, right? But then now Funded Next has the best spread, very tight spread, guys. Check out Funded Next, right? Then check out my link in the Telegram link in the description box below, and adios amigos, peace.